Welcome to Family Reviews.
I'm Alicia.
And I'm Destiny.
And today we're making slime. And we also have a second thing.
Yes. But first is the slime, and then we're going to try something called Yummy Nummies Mini Kitchen Magic. So these are kind of like the Japanese ones. I forgot to call them now. But these
Sushi
ones.
kit.
No, it wasn't a sushi kit. I was talking about the actual name, but it's kind of like those, but instead it's in English.
Japan, right?
It was It was made in the U.S. and I have cookies and Alicia has donuts. So that's what we'll be doing.
So why we're making slime first is because me and my sister really want to make slime because she has trashies and I want my Shopkins to be in some slime.
Okay. So,
Yes.
Destiny,
So what do we need?
So
you have
first,
1 cup of water.
1 cup of water. And we have some borax here. Let me open it first. And I need to put 1 teaspoon in, if I'm correct, right?
Yep. 1 teaspoon of borax into the 1 cup of hot water.
And then we mix that in.
And then she's going to add her bowl to mine.
Just wait, we have to get started first.
Yes.
Okay. Well, Destiny's mixing until it almost dissolves. Hopefully it should with the hot water.
So we have 2 bags.
So you can divide up the slime and put them in there so it stays
We have
fresh.
some borax that she already told you. But we have some glitter glue and it's made from
Elmer.
Elmer's. And yeah, you can get like the clear glue or like the
White glue. And you
And
can
then
add coloring.
This is
half a cup of water.
Half a cup of water. So we're gonna add it to the bowl.
Not dissolving.
So let's do this
It
first.
might not all dissolve, Destiny. That's fine.
Oh, disgusting!
So Alicia's got to get all the glue out of the container.
I'm gonna speed this process up.
So if she had just waited a little, it comes out slowly. Okay, over top of the bowl, once you've got most of it out, pour in the half a cup of hot water into the container.
This is high. Well, it's warm at least now.
If you can't get it all out, that's fine. That's what you got the water for. So you're going to rinse out the container more or less.
Okay.
No, Alicia, just wait. We're going to add that to the container to make sure we get all the glue out. Just do it over top of the
Carefully.
container.
You can do it, Alicia. It's okay. Just do it very slowly.
That's why it's over top of the bowl. Because all that half cups of water is going to end up back in the bowl.
Yeah?
So one way or another.
Can I shake it after?
Oh, it's okay. There's a bubble. That's why I said pour slowly, Alicia. Otherwise it creates a bubble. Yeah, it's good. Stop leaving now.
Alright.
Put the lid back on and then shake it up.
Shake it up.
That's good. Come on. There. It's not on there. Okay, that's good. Take out some of it. No. Oh.
I'm
No,
gonna
no.
try it from here.
Alicia, you're not going to get any glue that's on the inside.
Oopsies.
Silly.
Here we go.
There we go.
Oh, there you go. See?
You're not going to get all of it. You're going to get almost all of the glue.
You have
So.
to mix it together, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Take your spoon. Gently mix it. So it doesn't go flying all over the
If
table.
it doesn't work, I'm gonna use that.
Okay. Wait. That has more space.
We tried it once before and it didn't work, so. We had cheaper glue though.
Do I pour that into here or she pour that?
Either way, doesn't matter.
You pour it.
Because the borax is going to be what's going to make the glue clump together. Alicia, just leave the spoon in there, that's fine. Because you guys are going to mix it up. Now the borax solution into the glue. It won't all get in there, but we just have to drain out the rest of the water into the other bowl.
Clumpy now.
It's supposed to. The borax is working.
Yeah, it does.
Can I try?
Just don't dig it
Ooh,
That's
actually.
what we needed. Okay, keep mixing.
It kind of like jello because it's like getting stuck on the bottom as well.
Yeah. Yeah, well, don't forget, we got to pour out some of the water,
Yeah.
and then you guys get to knead it with your hands.
Yeah, we'll have to empty out the water soon. Seems like it's starting to clump together.
We just want to try to get as much of
Sounds like
it
it attached
clumping.
to the spoon, so.
That too.
Yeah, sure. Get up.
in. Is it a good consistency?
Destiny's like, ew, gross, it's slime.
No, I'm not saying it's gross. I just don't want to get in my cuts on my fingers just in case the borax still stings.
Oh, I can't stir it anymore.
Yeah, you can. You see, now it's kind of going really consistent for all the way around. Are you ready to empty some of it?
Yeah, there's probably going to be a lot of extra water. You gotta try to do your best to hold the water, or hold the slime back.
Alicia, will you help me?
Yeah, just do it slowly.
Oh, shoot.
There you go.
I feel slime.
This is pouring down Destiny's hand on the back.
Yep. But it's okay, I got it.
So-
But it definitely feels like slime.
Can I feel it?
Oh.
There's still some water there.
Yeah, I know. Can you move for a second? It's kind of hard to get it. Want to stop, Alicia? Because it's hurt my wrist. Okay, that works too.
Alright.
I got as much water as
Now they gotta knead it with their hands before they take it out of the bowl, just to have it dry.
It's really sticky.
Yeah. So it dries a little bit
So
more.
this is not a fail.
Hopefully. Well, if it works.
It'll work. It just
And
has
it comes
to.
apart easily. Watch this.
You just gotta make it harder by kneading it more. And it's glittery slime since we used a glitter glue,
So that
and we didn't have to
proves-
color it.
So yeah, so that proves that you can just use glitter glue with the color.
But it's gotta be Elmer glue. Do not
Yes.
use cheaper glue because it does not work. Trust us. We tried it.
I put two on the floor.
Okay, I shouldn't give me some because obviously you have too much.
You gotta share it.
Yes, you have too much. I'm just
Can you get some on the floor? Some of it on the floor.
look at it. But yeah, it's definitely starting to get not so
Liquidy.
like yeah,
And sticky.
all one side. Yeah, it's like super sticky right now.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, see?
Wait, if you guys didn't watch, like, what is it, a potato? Yeah, it's a potato recipe.
Yeah, there's a potato side
and
sauce.
if you keep, like, touching it, it doesn't melt. But if you leave it alone, it melts.
Yeah, it kind of like melts like milk. They said. It was actually slimy to make.
Who is it from?
I don't know, but I saw it on a video, and you could make slime literally from potatoes.
Yeah.
It was like the starch from it or whatever.
Like cornstarch.
Or
It's
not.
with
You can make it
sticky
dance
drink,
and
I think it was a starch, because isn't it usually happens if we put starch in water?
Yep.
It
Like gelatinous. And
yeah. If you stop moving, it
I'm not
sinks
touching
you
it
in.
with my
Because
why
they
I have
do
a Band-Aid
cornstarch
on
and they
it?
make it dance on with like putting on a speaker
With
with-
water.
with water and cornstarch mixture.
Yeah.
Obviously with a cloth, so it doesn't touch the actual speaker, but it like bounces, which is kind of cool.
A lot.
Oh, that sounds gross.
You need to get.
That sounds gross.
It does this because all I can hear is like farting
I can't
sounds.
get it out.
I know it's super sticky.
Yep, but the more you work it, the less sticky it becomes, and the more slime.
That's really
Or
the
a
more
little
I'm
less.
eating it, the more sticky it becomes.
Oh,
Maybe we should add more of the water to see if it mixes better.
you can try adding some more of the water to it.
Plus, there's still some slime.
1 second. I gotta get the slime down there. There's slime.
Okay, that's good. Don't add too much.
I just want to get the slime done. Oh, we're definitely gonna wash our hair. I thought you took my slime.
I did.
You took my slime. Please give it back.
Hey, I added.
Your sister worked her slime a whole lot more than you worked yours.
Just gonna try to add more and see if it like becomes less stick. You got hair in it.
Can you take it out?
Less size in hair.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you got like your hairs in there. See, if I should brush your hair more often,
Yeah.
you'd have less hairs and everything.
That's not hair.
That is hair. That's Alicia hair.
Yeah, that's hair, Alicia. Your hair.
Yuck.
It's not Alicia.
Oh, I think I got it. I just had to add a little bit more borax and water solution.
Look at that.
All right.
Mine. Yay! We did something successful for one.
Okay, put your slime in there. They
Right.
each have their own bag.
I got all this stuff up.
It's starting to be like real slime.
So Destiny's gonna put her half of the slime in a bag.
Wait, are they even?
She'll eventually put her trashies in there.
Yes,
in
but
it.
I put the slime in test tubes. Isn't that like the oozing slime though?
Yes,
just like-
it is
you
kind
do
of
that,
more
it's just
oozing
like-
slime.
Hey, I got it. Oh no, I lost
Okay.
my slime. Good.
Okay,
No, it's not sticking.
Well, it's your foot.
My hands are just sticky.
okay. Now, right now, it can just wait.
I wanna like.
All right, we're gonna pause it, and we'll be back once we like clean this table up a little bit, and then kids clean their hands off before we try
What
to
happened if it's bouncing?
do our nummy yummy.
It's bouncing.
Okay, see you in a minute.